Look, doesn't this look amazing? A nice piece of pork with fat on it. 2 pieces of jaggery. Can you see? Oyster sauce. Ayubovan! Welcome back to Manori's kitchen. Today I am going to show you an authentic black pork curry from my home to yours. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. We need 800 grams of pork, a nice piece of pork with fat on it, curry leaves, piece of lemongrass, 2 green chilies, pandan leaves, 2 pieces of jaggery, oyster sauce, salt, turmeric, Garcinia gamboge or goraka, a few pieces of cinnamon, 5 pods of cardamom and 5 cloves, apple cider vinegar. This is my special homemade coconut and rice toasted powder, fenugreek, peppercorns, chili powder, roasted curry powder, 1 cup of water, 1 whole onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger. That's about all. So let's get cooking. First step would be, I'm going to cut this piece of meat into small pieces. So if you cut the pork into small pieces, what happens is it'll reduce the cooking time. So this is the size that I would like to cut the pieces of pork into. Perfect. I'm going to pop it into the bowl. This is a very easy recipe because I'm going to add all the ingredients at once to the pork and leave it for half an hour to marinate. And then I will show you step by step how I'm going to cook this. Pieces of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is goraka, Garcinia gamboge. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of roasted curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to add the cardamoms, cloves and cinnamon and a piece of star anise. Next step, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pepper to my mortar and pestle, and I'm going to give it a good bash. Next step would be, I'm going to give it a good mix. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it for the spices to do its work. See you in half an hour's time. So half an hour gone. So this is our final step, sort of. So I'm waiting until the pan is a bit hot. So when the pan is hot, I'm going to add some chili powder and fenugreek as well as a roasted curry powder. And when it is nice and brown, because this is going to be a black pork curry. For a black pork curry, this is definitely not the color. So I want to make it nice and brown and a little bit black but not burnt. So what I'm going to let the pork do in the pot is, I'm going to let the pork itself, because since it has fat, for the meat to cook in the fat. Into a hot pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, and toast it a bit. 1 tablespoon of toasted coconut and rice powder. Now I'm going to add the pork. Just come close and have a look. Can you see? Look, doesn't this look amazing? I'm going to just add just a little bit of water and turn the heat down and cover the pork and leave it to cook. Doesn't that look amazing? Have a look at this color. I did not use 1 cup of water, but I used just 2 tablespoons of water, and look. Wouldn't you like to eat this with a nice steamed plate of rice? I would love to. Let me check for salt. I was going to add a little bit of more pepper, but no. It's nice and hot and delicious. So, I'm done cooking. This is Sri Lankan style, my style of black pork curry from Manori's kitchen. So until we meet again with a nice, delicious, authentic curry or a recipe from my kitchen to your home, I would like to bid you all Ayubowan.